To help with Better Than Rich, we transformed GBWare from simply being a fulfillment engine into a true growth engine. We built a flawless system designed to support the school owner, giving them clarity, tools, and confidence to understand that every investment in the process creates transformation to the end user.
We built out a drive equipped with sales training, sales promotion. We have a workflow designed for our pilot test group.
Clear communication, SOPs, playbooks. Our team is just able to execute, but also be able to track those results. From there, it makes it so it's easy for us as leadership to pivot and A/B test these models if they are or are not working. And we did that all in 3 days. And a byproduct of that is selling the actual product, but we've already built everything out, like the infrastructure.
We're giving them a clear map that they can utilize over and over and over again. Minimal time investment on their end, and really high return.
Honestly, it really felt like a year, maybe even 2 worth of work that we completed. We just get to go back and drill down on like execution with our internal team. There are honestly just no words that I can put to it. Just very, very grateful to Mike and Andrew for their time, their energy. Yeah, they're just built different.